Hey, so just now, I was driving down street, Kalgoorlie, Hannah Street, and I was trying to find something to take a photo of because it's just been raining, and well, it's raining now again, but everything had dried back up. But yeah, I should be able to get some more photos now because everything's getting a little bit more wet again. But yeah, I saw this dude with some mad hair, and I'm like, oh, probably should hit him up for like a photo, you know. So anyway, I've just parked up, ran down the street, and called out to him and his mate, and the boys were Preston and Akira. But yeah, they're pretty cool dudes. But yeah, no, it's cool. They let me take some photos and whatnot. So it was pretty random. I've never actually done it before. I asked someone if I could take their photo, but yeah, worked it all good. So hopefully those photos turn out all right. And gonna try and get some more photos. So it's like the first time doing a bit of street photography. I'm trying to get like, I don't want to just take pictures of like buildings and trees and whatnot. I just want to try and take pictures of people in the street because it's more interesting that way. But so here we go. Catch.
You better turn up. You better leave it when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh.
So I thought I might get some photos of the cop shop. It's actually quite a really nice building. I've never actually really noticed. Like, a while ago I had a heap of trees and whatnot covering, but yeah, they've actually cleaned it up, and I don't know if it's been renovated or if it's always been this way, but yeah, it's pretty flash. Anyway, I'll take some photos. Here's a video of what it looks like. There's the old clock tower there, and there's the cop shop. I just got worded up by one of the police officers, and I've just had to go in and give my details, so I'm not stressing out of me taking photos and video of the joint. But anyway, I found this little wet patch here. Just thought I'd show you. You can actually get some nice pictures with that reflection. So I've taken some photos of like something like that. So hopefully that turns out pretty cool. The reflection. I see that all the time on. I actually see that all the time on Instagram, and they actually turn out pretty cool, so hopefully these come out alright as well. Cool, so I got some shots from over that direction. I'm gonna have a look at it down here, see if there's anything I can get, if there's any decent puddles or something. Could be some nice puddles. Have a look. Okay, so I don't know if you can see the screen. I don't know if it's going to let me, but there's some pretty cool lines here. Like, look at this, something like that. I've had 2 more cops just hit us up and ask me what I'm doing. I'll just explain to them what, the deal was. I'm trying to do some photos and make a YouTube video and whatnot, so I need to stop looking at the screen. My bad. But yeah, hopefully you can hear me because I've not tested the audio yet. But because I'm still vlogging on this Sony NEX-F3. Still trying this out and see how we go. See if it's any good. Just because I like this flip screen, but don't know how to suss this audio out because there's no audio jack, so I'm just running off the 2 little mics at the front there. But yeah, hopefully this has turned out alright. We'll have a look anyway. By the way, I'm shooting with this, what is this? I don't know if you can focus on it. Maybe not, if I can put it in front of my face. Anyway, it's what is it? A Brightin Star 55mm f1.5, no, 1.8, sorry. It's a full frame lens. It only cost me 160 Aussie dollars. That's like with the GST and post as well. I don't know if post was anything, but yeah, that was posted, 160. But yeah, it comes up as 150, but then after you pay for it, it comes up as 160 because of GST. But yeah, so I'm shooting that with the full frame, where is it? Can you see it? The A7, just the first gen A7. At the moment it's got the Sigma because yeah, 55 wasn't wide enough obviously, so I've chucked the 16. I've put it in crop mode. So yeah, it is a bit cropped, but it's still wide enough for some shots. But yeah, anyway, just thought I'd let you know what I'm shooting with and see how it goes. This here, look. I don't know if you can see, but out there, oh look, you can't even focus. Maybe if I wind that window down. Oh, overexposed. Let me just turn something up. There we go. I don't know if you can see, but out there is a big puddle of water. That might make us some cool shots. Let's have a look. See. I'm trying to take pictures of this thing with all the water, you know, to try and make the, you know, the whole reflection thing going on. But just an idea as well, if you're doing the same thing, if you see like the main thing you want to take a picture of, how about turn around and you might find something else as well. Like I think this here looks kind of cool, but with that artwork there and whatnot, I might chuck the 50mm on and see if I can get something cool with this. Anyway, yeah, don't know if it's going to be any good, but worth a try. Yeah, have a crack. Anyway, so I think I've had enough of that. I've done some photos of that joint here, the Kalgoorlie Art Centre and the school across the road, and some of this artwork. I don't even know if you can hear me. Hopefully you can. But yeah, so I've done all that, and I think I'm going to call it a day. Might have another drive around, see if I can find something cool. Keep looking at this lens. But yeah, so I'll have a drive, see if I can find something else. If not, I'm going to go home. Anyway, hey guys, before I head inside, yeah, that's it for the day. I'm done for shooting a video. It's starting to sprinkle again. Anyways guys, I'll end the video here. Thanks very much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.